Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. Today I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to cook an easy meal tonight. And I do not want the dinner time battle with the picky eater in my house. So I'm making a delicious orange chicken, but it's kid approved. I only need 4 ingredients. The first one is chicken nuggets. All kids love chicken nuggets. The next one I'm going to use to give it that authentic orange taste is orange marmalade. I'm also going to add a bit of barbecue sauce to give it that extra smoky flavor, and also a bit of soy sauce. And that's all we need for this dinner, and I'll be serving the orange chicken on rice. Let's get cooking. Cook your chicken nuggets in the oven or in the air fryer according to the package directions. I spread them out evenly on my pan because my air fryer is not big enough to do it all in one batch. So I'll just use my oven tonight. You want the nuggets to be in one layer, an even layer, so it cooks evenly. For the sauce, you're just gonna need 3 ingredients. Firstly is 1 cup of orange marmalade. I love this orange marmalade because it's got little pieces of orange peel in it, and it makes it look very delicious and it looks very nice. So 1 cup of orange marmalade. Then you need half a cup of barbecue sauce. I'm using the smoked hickory barbecue sauce, and it's very delicious. If you don't like the smoky kind of barbecue sauce, you can use any kind of barbecue sauce that you like. Half a cup of barbecue sauce. And then you're also going to need 3 tablespoons of reduced salt soy sauce. And I'm going to mix that through, and then I'm going to heat this inside the microwave. So I'll mix this through and I'm going to heat it inside the microwave at 30-second intervals until it's nice and hot. I'm starting to heat up the sauce in the microwave at 30-second intervals until it is nice and hot. Now the sauce is nice and hot and liquidy, and we're ready to use it to coat our chicken nuggets. Now that your nuggets are nice, crispy and cooked, transfer them to a big mixing bowl. Take your nice hot sauce that you heated in the microwave and pour it all over the chicken nuggets. Now all you need to do is stir the nuggets until it's fully coated in this delicious sauce. Now your nuggets have changed into orange chicken and we are ready to dish up and serve. I'm serving these delicious chicken nuggets on rice with a side of vegetables. And make sure to get some of that delicious sauce as well. And this will make a nice dinner. Orange chicken on rice with a side of vegetables. And we're gonna have no complaints tonight. Everybody's gonna enjoy this meal, even the picky eaters. So dinner is done and everybody enjoyed it. I had no complaints and my son and my husband went for second helpings. So I know that's a winner dinner. Sometimes you just need to go for the easy recipe and make an easy dinner, but don't compromise on flavor or taste. So give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed. So this is all I've got for you today, and as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.